Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to this short presentation on the Bangalore Medical College Development Trust Infosys Bone Marrow Registry. A bone marrow transplant is needed in various blood diseases. Some of them are benign like thalassemia and others are cancerous like leukemias and lymphomas. There is a tremendous need for bone marrow transplantation and hence the need for a donor registry in this country. The annual requirement is estimated to be about 60 to 75,000 transplantations, whereas we actually do a few hundred. A lot of these patients do not find a donor and they simply die. And so by being a donor, you're literally saving lives in a big way. We have a modest goal of having about 10,000 names on the registry for this year. All of them will be HLA typed and the matching is offered to patients free of cost. In order to do a bone marrow transplantation, in addition to the ABO typing that is carried out during routine blood transfusions, one has to do what is called an HLA typing, the human leukocyte antigen typing. This is basically a protein marker which helps the body to differentiate between self and non-self. If there is a good match between the donor and the recipient of the HLA patterns, then the success rate of the transplantation will be high. To establish a good registry, we need to have motivated donors between 18 and 50 years of age. People should think things through before they sign up. And once they sign up, they have to really remain committed, because the time lag between the time you sign on and the time you will be asked to give a marrow donation or a stem cell donation can be many months to years later. Essentially, being a bone marrow donor involves two steps. In the first step, you give an informed consent and then give 10 ml of blood for extraction of DNA and HLA typing. When a match occurs, you donate stem cells. Most of the time, stem cells are taken from the peripheral blood. Rarely, one may be asked to have a marrow donation. Peripheral blood stem cell donation involves the donor taking one injection a day for 5 days to promote the formation of stem cells in the marrow and their appearance in the bloodstream. On day 6, you'll be asked to go to a hospital and you'll get hooked to a machine as shown in the picture, where over a period of 4 to 5 hours the stem cells are extracted from your blood to be given to the patient. Very rarely the marrow itself may be aspirated for getting the stem cells. The cells that are taken from your body are regenerated by your body within 3 weeks. There is no cost involved to the donor, and the side effects, if any, are minimal. It may take the form of mild pain, and sometimes you may have a little clot under the skin, and rarely the injection site may show signs of infection. Friends, we urge you to come on board. Become a donor. You're literally saving lives. Stay committed, and very importantly, in addition to being a donor, we request you to motivate others to become donors. We need a wave for this project to succeed, where each one motivates at least 10 others to become donors. Please spare some time to become a volunteer and spread the message to as many people as possible, and we would appreciate it if you could raise some money for this noble cause. If you have any questions, please feel free to write to bmcbmr@gmail.com. We will be very happy to answer all your queries. Thank you very much.